How to enable PDF collaboration features using a JavaScript viewer component. In this video, you will learn how to implement collaboration mode in GcPDFViewer. We will begin by adding a new ASP.NET Core Web application in Visual Studio 2022. Give an appropriate name to the project, let's say Collaboration Mode. And targeting .NET 6 Framework, open the NuGet Package Manager console by choosing Tools, then NuGet Package Manager, and then the Package Manager console option. Switch to the lib folder found in the project folder by executing the cd command, passing in the correct path to the folder. Install the GcPDFViewer package using the npm install command. You can observe that GcPDFViewer was installed by going to the lib folder, the node modules folder, the @grapecity folder, and finally, the GcPDFViewer folder. Open the NuGet Package Manager using the Tools options from the menu bar. In the Manage NuGet Packages dialog, search for the grapecitydocuments.pdf.viewer support API package and install the package in your project. Support API must be added to your application so editing and collaboration capabilities are active and available to GcPDFViewer. Expand Dependencies and then the Packages node to find the NuGet package installed in the project. Next, we will add a new folder named Controllers to the Collaboration Mode project. Add a new controller named Support API Controller to the folder. Update the controller code to define the controller path and inherit the controller from the GcPDFViewer controller to access Support API methods and add editing capabilities to GcPDFViewer from the Support API project. You will need to add Support API.controllers references to the Support API controller class using IntelliSense to fix the error prompting for GcPDFViewer controller. The collaboration mode in GcPDFViewer is designed to work only with persistent client connections. To support persistent client connections in collaboration mode, the web application must be configured to use the SignalR package, which is already available in the Support API project. Update the default code of the program.cs file to include the following code snippets which configure the collaboration mode. First, you want to add SignalR service to the services collection. Then suggest using top-level root registrations. And lastly, map SignalR hub. How to configure GcPDFViewer on the client side. First, add a new PDF file to the application to be viewed and shared in GcPDFViewer. Open index.cs HTML file and add a reference to the required JavaScript scripts at the top of the index.cs HTML page for GcPDFViewer, along with the style and HTML elements. Next, add code to configure GcPDFViewer on the client side by defining options for connecting to Support API and defining other sharing options, including known users, disallow unknown users, and user name. To showcase the Shared Documents panel in the sidebar of GcPDFViewer, invoke the Add Shared Documents panel method of GcPDFViewer. To show the Share Document option in the GcPDFViewer toolbar, we need to add the Share option to the Viewer toolbar and configure the toolbar layout by invoking the Apply Toolbar Layout method. Invoke the Open method to load a PDF document in GcPDFViewer. Here is collaboration mode in action. Execute the application and it will prompt you to enter a username, thus setting the name of the current user of the document, having anonymous as the default value. The user accessing the document can enter their name to help identify them as the owner, author, or a user of the document. Note that the GcPDFViewer is loaded in the browser window, displaying the Share Document option in the top toolbar and the Open Shared Documents panel option in the sidebar of the GcPDFViewer. Click the Share Document option in the toolbar. It will open the Manage Access window, which lists the current user's name, along with options to share the document with other users, providing varied access permissions. To share the document with a user, choose a name from the first drop-down or enter a new name. Then click on the second drop-down to select the access permissions among View Only or View and Change. Finally, click the Share button to add the user to the shared users list displayed at the end of the Manage Access window. In the shared user list, you can either change the access permission granted to a specific user or stop sharing that document with the user. Please note that only the document owner editor can add, change, or revoke permissions for other users. After the document is shared, you will see the Shared Mode label displaying at the top right corner of the viewer. Click on the Open Shared Documents panel in the sidebar panel and notice that the shared document starts showing in the list of shared documents. Now let's open another browser window and load the same viewer with a different username. In the new window, click on the document in the Shared Documents panel, and now start adding annotations, form fields, or editing the document in the collaboration mode. The field or annotation is appended to the document with the name of the user adding it. As soon as the user makes a change, it will appear on the screen of any other user accessing this shared document, and vice versa. To learn more about the collaboration feature offered with the Professional PDF Viewer, check out our website.